In this quick video, I want to help you fix a digital radio that no longer finds radio stations and you are confused as to why. So first thing I want you to do is inspect your antenna, and it depends on the radio. This particular one's an Insignia, but you might have a Sony, you might have a different brand, it doesn't matter. So make sure that the antenna is fully connected to the radio. Some of them screw on, some of them are push and plug. This particular one is just automatically attached, but make sure that the antenna is attached. Make sure that the antenna is fully, the kaleidoscope antenna is fully extended as far as it'll go. Then see if you're able to find a station. Move the radio around. So see if you can find another wall outlet if it is plugged up to a wall. Move it around the house or the home or wherever you're at and see if that will fix the issue. All right, next thing I want you to do is make sure you do a full band scan. So multiple of them are different reasons, but if you have a way to go into menu and do a full scan, just let it go. It could take 10 minutes to do a full band scan, but make sure you do it. That way you will be able to find some stations to do a full band scan. All right, next thing you want to do is make sure that it's not on mute by accident. Look for a mute button. See if there's a mute button. Check the volume, make sure the volume's all the way up. If not, hold down the volume button. One thing you can do is take the palm of your hand, and it could be a button could be stuck with humidity or whatever. Just go back and forth your digital buttons like this and on the side. Locate the headphone jack. So this one's located right here. If you have a pair of headphones, it could be that the headphones are automatically tripped up. So you want to put the headphones in, and I want you to make sure the volume's all the way up and push it in firmly. Remove it, put it back in, remove it, and sometimes what happens is the headphone jack will actually make it trip up. So you have to remove it several times. You might have to twist it a little bit, go in and out, and then see if that will fix your issue. A lot of times that will do it. All right, next thing I want you to do is to do a reset. So unplug it from the wall or just unplug it from the back. If there are any batteries in it, make sure you take the batteries out. And then after about 10 minutes, plug everything back in and see if it works. All right, if it's still having an issue finding a station, what I want you to do is unplug it and then hold down the power button, locate the power button and hold it down for 30 seconds while it's unplugged, and then release, plug it back in, see if that works. Some full factory resets do a combination of power button, and with this Insignia, it's memory and power button. Most of them, if it's not the power button, it's power button and the volume down button. Some are power button and menu. And you basically, any option you try for 30 seconds while it's unplugged, and then you plug it back in, and then see if you're able to find a station. If it has different sources, like if it does auxiliary, like the old auxiliary radio, go back and forth to auxiliary back to digital, and then see if you can find a station that way. And let me know if one of those options work. Put in the comment section what brand of digital radio that you have. And if one of these options did work, let me know which one. Thanks for watching.